How to download BlueStack on MacBook Pro. In this video, I will show you how can you easily download BlueStacks on MacBook device. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, first you need to open any of your web browser, and in the search bar you simply need to type download BlueStack. Once you do, simply click on the first website and then you will see the option to install. If you want to customize the path where the BlueStack will be downloaded in your computer, so simply click on Customize Installation. After that, you need to choose the option of Install Now, and shortly BlueStack's file will be downloaded in your computer. Once it is downloaded, you can launch it in your device. So that's it. That is how easily you can download BlueStacks in MacBook. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.